Ladies, we're running out of time. The Lip Bar is in desperate need of our Holiday 2025 collection. We partner with you guys because frankly, I'm obsessed. You guys are incredible at the top of your game. We got the fashion killer, okay? We got everyone's favorite nude lady. We got the it girl. So what kind of nude are you going for?
So my nude is basically nude, but it has a pink undertone. The kicker is my lip gloss, which is called I Don't Give a Fuck, right? The lip gloss is not just clear, it has a pink undertone as well. Also the lip liner, I chose straight Livin. As you can see here, you can wear it barefaced, you can wear it beat.
I love where this is going.
Yes.
Okay.
So very important for my nude, no pink undertone. I am doing it for the neutral girlies, right? So we need a nude that has no orange, that has no pink, just like, that gives like makeup artist concealer. Very much like we are like matting out the lip and just giving the antithesis of like the vibe, the mood. 90s fine.
Period.
Oh, mine is giving drama, statement, boss, sophisticated, all the things. What's great is you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's a deep oxblood, and it does all the work for you. You can wear it for your man, you can wear it at work, and you can wear it for the holiday party when you're going for that promotion.
Oh, I heard that.
What's great about it too is the name of the lipstick is called No Comment. It's silence with intention, and it's the lipstick that does all the talking.
I have full confidence that my team picked the right people and that you guys are picking the right colors. I'm so grateful for this. I don't think we could have chose better partners.